Hello everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro. Today I'll guide you how to start a transportation business in India, whether it's one van or a full fleet. Let's go. First comes why transportation. It's global market. It's 7 trillion annually. In India, booming urban growth. So firstly, choose the right service for your skill and budget. You can choose from passenger services, specialized transport, or freight and delivery. Some information is given on your screen. Now the legal setup and licensing. You can register as a sole proprietor, LLP, or a private limited company. Now permits and authority include commercial driver's license and a motor carrier operating authority. You will need insurance for commercial auto, liability, and cargo, and compliance for vehicle fitness and pollution certificates, driver training, and hours of service record. Now acquire your vehicle. Start small or scale up. Choose wisely. Some options are given on your screens. Now build operations and system. First, route planning. Optimization software to cut fuel costs, dispatch and booking, SMS or app-based reservations, and real-time estimated time arrivals, which is ETAs, fleet maintenance, scheduled servicing and repair logs, staff management, driver rosters, payroll, and incentive program. Now the financial management and pricing. Keep your books tight and your rates competitive. Cost elements include fuel, maintenance, insurance, and salaries. Pricing models, per kilometer rates, flat airport or shuttle fares, and contract quotas. Your profit targets, aim for 20 to 30% of margins after all expenses. Now comes the marketing and customer acquisition. Make your digital presence through professional website with online booking, Google My Business and local SEO, social media ads targeting commuters, seniors, and businesses. Now local partnership. Tie up with hotels, hospitals, and schools, corporate transport contract, listings on aggregator platform. Now trust signals, driver training certificates, safety and hygiene protocols, and customer testimonials and rating. Ready to start your transportation journey? Let Registerkaro handle everything for you. Click the link in the description or visit registerkaro.in today to start your transportation business now. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.